Learn English quickly. Welcome to English 8K. We learn 2 words every day and write them on paper flashcards. Today is Sunday, April 20th. Here are the 2 words we will learn today. Number 1, we use for cleaning. Number 2, to lean against, like this. Number 1, please listen and write this in your notebook. I use a rag every day. I use a rag every day to wipe the table. Rag. It is a piece of cloth for cleaning. Now we can make a flashcard for rag. We have 2 words for it. We call it a rag, also a cloth. Please make a card like this. Write rag up here in the top left corner, R-A-G. Down in this corner, K-I-T 1. This means kitchen, level 1. Over here, the number 36 out of 50. Now I will show you the IPA. Please write the IPA up here in the top right corner. Rag. Number 2, please listen and write this in your notebook. Bob is leaning against the tree. Bob is leaning against the tree. Leaning against. He is resting, and his back is touching the tree. Now we can make a flashcard for lean against. Please make a card like this. To lean against something. Down here, VID 1. This means verb, idiom, level 1. And over here, the number 40 out of 76. Now I will show you the IPA. Please write the IPA up here in the top right corner. Lean. Against. Lean against. Game over. You did very well today. Today we learned we can wipe the table with a rag. R-A-G. Very nice. And the pen is leaning against my hand. Very good. And if you are high level, here are the level 2 words for today. Number 1, ceremony. Very nice. That's a big gathering with many people for an important occasion. Number 2, do you know? It is a body part on my hand. Very good. Number 3, can you say it? To crawl. This is for a baby. Before it walks, it can crawl on the floor. My name is Vinny from Canada. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye. something, somebody, noun, verb, adjective, adverb. You can learn English here. It's very easy. We only have 25 classes every month, so you can learn 50 words every month.